Hello everybody, it's Kadzoe with Kadzoe for Africa and welcome to my channel. As you know, as I do life coaching, I decided to start a new series because I was working with this wonderful young girl and she was such an avid fan of celebrities, as many people are, including myself, I may say so. And so one of the things we were talking about in her session was why she really felt this huge compassion for Kim Kardashian. And so I was thinking, how can I help her? How can I help her be able to maybe weave this fascination with this celebrity into something productive? If you're interested in knowing how I worked with her, the first lesson that I think anybody can learn from Kim Kardashian is to always show up on time for any commitment that you make. Now, if you're an avid viewer of the Kardashian Show and you've been watching it for many years, you'll remember that one of the things that Kim Kardashian is known for is actually showing up on time. She actually shows up a few minutes early. Do you do that in your personal life? Well, something to think Lesson about. Number 2, Kim Kardashian pulls through even when life pulls her down. Now, do you remember when she was dating Reggie Bush and the relationship didn't work? And it was at the time when her career was evolving and her mom used to kind of push her, like, you gotta get up, you gotta go to work. And she was feeling like her whole life is over because of that guy. Well, look at where she is now. So that's something that you can also learn because that's a very real situation. How many of you can honestly say that after a breakup of somebody that you really care about, that it's easier for you to wake up every morning and move on with your life in a positive way, and most importantly, keep growing? So something that you can learn from, especially within that particular situation. Lesson number 3, Kim Kardashian is known to being a professional. It doesn't matter how much hate that she gets. It doesn't matter who is negative towards her. When she is face to face with that person, especially in the public eye, as it relates to her profession, because she is a media personality, she is always professional, always professional. And that's also a challenge that I would ask you. What happens when people say something about you? When you confront people maybe in class, when you confront people in your personal life, your friends or people that don't like you, are you always professional? So something for you to think about as well. All right, and those are the lessons that you can learn from Kim Kardashian. And so remember, if you need help to put yourself up when things are not going well for you, if you need help to be professional, and if you need help in any of these areas, go ahead and email me. Let's set up a consultation. And as a life coach, I can definitely help you with the step-by-steps that you need to be able to get there. Keep a positive outlook. So remember, like I always say, admire your celebrities, but always observe them with a third eye and see what you can learn from them. And who knows, maybe you will be the next Kim Kardashian. Thank you for watching. Until my next video. Bye.